With this secret method, many people from all over the world are making $250 or even $450 or more every day. They are just regular people who saw a chance in this brand new website and took it. Since you clicked on this video and watched it, you are one of the lucky few who will learn about this secret strategy and be one step ahead of everyone else. In this video, I'll show you everything step by step. I'll show you how to sign up for a free demo, give you an example, and, most importantly, give you some special bonus tips that will help you earn twice as much money twice as fast. So make sure you pay attention and watch all the way to the end. I want you to go to pexels.com before we start the video. You can search for photos and other pictures that you can download for free on this website. Now, I want you to use your web search to look for black and white photos. I want you to look at all of these black and white pictures right here. This is the perfect chance for us to make money online with all of these black and white pictures. Colorize.com is the website you should go to. On this website, you can add color to black and white photos. So if your photos are in black and white, you can use this free website to turn them into colored images, which can help you make money online. When you go below this page, you can upload black and white photos and turn them into color pictures like this one, which you can sell for $10, $20, or $40. I'm just doing it for free on this site. I'll quickly show you how to do it, and then I'll tell you about a few websites where you can start selling this service to other people and making money. As you scroll down, you should click this button to choose a black and white photo. So I'll just click this button to upload a picture to this website. Just remember that you can do this on a phone or tablet as well. Now that I've chosen one of these pictures, let's say this one, I'll just click on it here to start uploading this black and white picture to this Colorize website. You can add color to this picture by going to this free website. When I click on this bar and move it slowly from right to left, I can see that this picture is getting color and turning into a color picture. You can do this on this website for free even if you don't have any experience. All you have to do is upload photos. The next step is to download the results, which you can do by clicking on this button. As you can see, I am now starting to put this picture on my computer. If you wanted to, you could do the same thing on your phone. So I just clicked on this picture to show you what happened. I was able to turn a black and white photo into a color photo, which I can now download for free from this website without having to sign up or pay anything. This is a great chance for you, no doubt. I'll give you another example. But keep watching this video because I'll show you how to make money online with this service and this website. I'll show you another thing you can do with pictures. This website, remove.bg, lets you get rid of the background of a photo completely automatically and for free. For instance, this is one of your original photos of a woman, and there's a wall in the background. Using this software and website, it's easy to get rid of the background in this photo, leaving only the woman. This is the exact way to get rid of the background at this time. To upload an image, all you have to do now is click on this button. Again, as an example, let's look at this picture. Right here, with the click of a button, I uploaded the original photos to remove.bg. The background was instantly taken away, leaving only the girl. So all you have to do is click this download button. Once again, I started downloading this without registering or paying anything on the website. Just to give you an example, when I click on the image I just downloaded, this service can make up to $10, $20, or even $40 each time you remove the background. This can be done on your phone or computer. Before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the video so far. Please leave a comment below if you thought this video was interesting and helpful. Let's watch the video again. I'm going to show you two websites where you can use those services to make money right now. Fiverr.com is the first one. When you get to this page, you can type Colorize Images into the search box and then click the search button to its right. This will take you to a page where you can see if anyone else in the world is selling this service. As I scroll down, I can see that people are coloring in black and white photos, like this one, to make them look like they were taken in color. I think the price for doing that starts at $10. And as you can see here, many people have left reviews for the service, which shows that people are buying it on the internet. As you can see, people from all over the world are making money with this opportunity. All they do is add color to black and white photos. The same thing can be done on the Colorize website, which I just showed you. So let's say, for example, that this seller here offers to professionally color your pictures. He just changes the black and white photos to color and sells them for $40. This is a pretty high price, so let's say they are selling for $30 and many people want to buy them. This is a good amount of money for just coloring pictures on a free website like this one. Even more interesting is that, in addition to the basic package, you can make other packages with different prices. like a standard package for $40 or a premium package for $60. As you can see, this seller is a level 1 seller, which means that it is brand new. But this brand new beginner is right here to help customers turn black and white photos into colorful ones, and he only charges $10 for each one. Even though he is just starting out, this seller sells a lot of these services, as shown by the many reviews from customers who have used them. In other words, many people each pay $10, which brings in few thousand for him. I just want to show how easy it is to find a way to make money online if you know what you're doing. The second site I'd like to tell you about is PeoplePerHour.com, which has more opportunities. Select Search Offer when you click on this search icon right here. As you can see, many people on this website offer a wide range of services. Now I want you to type background removal into the search box and click the search button. Some people will remove your background for up to $40. All they do is remove your background. With the remove.bg website, we can do exactly that. You can do this in a few seconds and start selling the service on this website with just a few clicks. If you look down, you can see that a lot of sellers are making money from this opportunity by simply removing the background of the photos like I did at the beginning of the video. People can then sell $10, $20, $40, or even $50 this way. So if you are just starting out, all you need to do is charge $15, and you can sell a lot of them and make a lot of money. It costs $4 to $5 to remove the backgrounds of 100 images, which may seem like a lot, but as you can see, it only takes a few seconds and doesn't require any special skills. And that's how you can make money with this website and others like Colorize.com, Remove.bg, and PeoplePerHour.com. Check out my other videos if you like videos like this one. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. In the next video, I'll see you.